Hello YouTubers! Today I'm going to be showing you my pet bird Dino. There goes my dog. He is a nice bird. Okay, gotta close this. He's a nice bird, and he can coo a lot. He's just sometimes a spaz when you stick your hand in something. Be sure to write and comment and give me a request for maybe my dog, maybe something about my bird, something about my guinea pigs, and my catfish in my room, and the other fish.
Another video of all your pets?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, so you just say if you want more of the pufferfish, or you want the catfish, or the fish in my sister's room, or these guys, the guineas, or the dog. Well, he went.